Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be working on a substitution principle, or just finding out how a variable in equations. So the substitution principle is going to be a longer way. However, the equation way, where we try and solve it using the equation, we'll be doing a shorter way. So I'll be showing you guys both ways. So without further ado, let's head on straight into this video. And if you don't get what I mean by the longer process, shorter process, just keep on watching. So first off, let's get started with the basics of substitution principle. When we have a variable, we can use the substitution principle in order to see if the number we inputted is a possible solution and it will work in that equation. We can also do a simple rule to find what the variable is equal to instead of doing the full-on substitution way. So the substitution way, so we're given an equation and we're given a variable, and we're gonna input a bunch of different random numbers for x, and we're gonna plug it into x in the equation one by one and see if it's a true statement. If it's a true statement, then we know what the x is equal to. But if you don't want to do this, you can simply just subtract 1 for that equation and try and isolate the variable. So let's say I have 2x plus 2 is equal to 14. So if we substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in order to try and find. So first we'll have 0 plus 2 is equal to 14, which is not true. So then you just continue plugging it in one by one. And that's why it's a longer process. But it also ensures that you've checked every possible solution and make sure it is correct. So in this equation, it's going to be x is equal to 6. But there's an easier way we can figure it out. We can subtract 2 and divide by 2. Because what we're doing here is we're trying to isolate the variable and do the opposite. So if it's addition, we'll do subtraction. If it's multiplication, we'll do division. And let's just do another problem. So let's say we have 3x plus 1 is equal to 13. Well, we can simply solve it really quick with x is equal to 14. And we can also do that again with any equation. Now you all are going to try and solve the first equation using the substitution way, and the second equation using the simpler equation way. And you will have 2 minutes to solve both of them. Did you do it? Let's check if you got the correct answers. So first things first, we're going to take a bunch of different numbers and substitute them into the equation. So for 1 through 4, you're going to get incorrect. However, for 5, you'll get it as a true statement. So it means x is equal to 5. Now for the other one, we'll add 4 and then divide by 4, just like how the equation would want us to. Congrats, you made it to the end of this video. Whether it's you needed help with this concept, you wanted some extra practice, or you just wanted to review, I hope you learned something or got some extra practice in. It'd mean the world to me if you subscribed and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. If you like this video and like shorter videos just like these, which I've been trying to experiment more with lately, make sure you like this video. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. It just tells me if I need to change anything. And if you have any suggestions for any of my videos, you can always comment on my discussion page. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!